Oh, I had the mic on. B, let me know if you can hear me over there in the Discord. Let me share this screen. So we're in this goal by. What I want to do is see how far this thing moves up.
Good morning. Good morning.
What's up, B? How you doing?
Good morning. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
All right, I hear you fine now.
All right, good, good. I like how you jumped up, screaming with me. I was over here like, yeah, let's go, yes sir.
Yeah, I had to
I
make
like
up for
that.
yesterday because when I tell you all day, I was looking at the clock like, okay, whatever I got going on, let me just make sure I'm free by 8:45, 9 o'clock, so I can just, have my space cleared. Child, that did not happen. I apologize, but I am here. I'm here.
Nah, it's cool. Don't look at it like that. I was actually working. What's up, everybody on YouTube? Britt, does that say? The infamous. I was actually working on the rest of the things from the mindset portion, the codex. So I had a couple things I had to get in place. Sean,
Okay.
yeah, I'm so serious about that thing. So I need
I
it
know
all the
it.
way together.
Good morning.
What's up? How you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Well, let's see. All right, here we go. So we started. Sorry, not started. We ended U.S. I mean, last week we took a short buy on U.S. 30. That trade setup got hit at break even. This next structural level we want to take a look at is this area right here. I think we'll get a break beneath. We got a lot of stop losses under that area, so let's see how it turns out. Boom, 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 boom. 10:30. Okay, so US 30 took off. We're gonna wait for the pullback to enter in our sale there so we can get a better risk reward. So right now what we're doing, keep it simple. We trap price right here in this area. It was a key level on a higher time frame, so we only had two scenarios. Maybe it could break above consolidation to create a higher high, or break beneath, pull back to retest it to create lower lows. So it ended up falling beneath, so we're just waiting for this retest so we can take this sale on US 30. So Friday when we took that short buy, that quick scalp, we also took a sale on gold. Oh man, this thing went crazy. Where was that? Oh, here we go. We took this sale here. We got a 1 to 13 sale on gold. And as soon as it hit TP1, it took off. Let's see. It gave us 615 pips.
Win, 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 win. Yeah.
So we want to see what happens when we get back to those highs. Retest this trend line again, see if we can catch the same thing. Set this alert. Hold on, look like Brittany over there. Adam, what up? Brittany over there in the wrong group. You alright, Brittany? You got some trouble over there, huh?
Okay, I'm here. I'm sorry. I was trying to switch from my phone to my laptop, so I'm finally up and I'm good. Just so I can
It's
see
all
the
good.
follow along.
Oh, right, that part. So I'm going to go ahead and place this limit order. Let's see, we do got some stop losses right there. Let's move that. Now, price very well could just retest this level, then fall. The only reason I moved that stop loss higher is because we have relatively equal highs right here and another break of structure right here. So I want to make sure that I just keep that in mind and move that stop loss a little higher to protect that trade setup before we take it. Now, if you're trading US 30, you don't have the capital to do that, go to the US 30 minis. That's still a 1 to 9. All right, so give me a second. Let me place this trade set up on my terminal.
Okay, so can you tell me again what exactly are you doing right now? Are you actually doing the trading, or are you just showing us like how to set it up?
Oh no, right now I'm about to actually place this trade set up. So you have the same broker as me. I can just put the trade in and tell you the coordinates.
Okay, see that's the part I was not even. I don't even have it set up. Let me go into my account.
Which part don't you have set up?
Honestly, I need to go ahead and just go ahead and make my purchase so that I can make that deposit into my broker account, and then I can go
You
ahead
can
and
use your demo account.
Oh, okay. Oh,
Yeah,
so
use
just
your
so
demo
just
account.
doing the demo.
Yeah, I
Oh,
want you to
okay.
start with that demo for the first 2 weeks. That way you can get used to the processes, get used to risking properly and actually holding the trades. Okay. That's the thing that most people struggle with, because I give some TPs that are pretty far away when it comes to regular traders or the average, but they hit. So I got to get you guys comfortable with not only just finding these trades, but getting that mental fortitude so you can hold them, let them run.
Right. Okay. All right. Let me log into my demo account.
Yes. You look a little closer. So what I'm actually gonna do is set 2 limit orders. Let me know when you get that demo account open. I'll walk you through it with the coordinates. What's been going on with Facebook? It's not letting me live on Facebook for whatever reason. It's all good. Adam, how you been, Adam?
Okay. Yeah, it's opening right now.
Cool. Cool. I'm gonna give you two different trades. So did you make it all the way through the lesson that showed you how to pull up the pairs and how to actually put the trades in the Trading Essential Bundle? I've been great, Adam. Just creating, brother. I said, did you finish the placing trades lesson from the Trading Essential Bundle?
You're asking me, have I finished that one?
Yes.
I believe I have. I think
Okay,
that's
cool.
what day 6.
I believe so.
Yeah, I think I did. Yeah, that's the one I watched. Yeah, just maybe a few mornings ago. So yeah.
Okay, cool. So at the top where you have your pairs, do you have the favorites tool selected? That star? Is the star selected, or do you see all? It should be at the top right hand corner.
I'm sorry, I'm having like audio trouble for some reason on your end. It's like breaking up really bad, and I can't really make out a complete sentence from you.
What about now?
Okay, I hear you now. So if you can repeat your question, you said when I went.
I said when you open up your terminal, your Trade Locker platform, at the top right corner of the screen, I was asking you, is the star selected? That star shows you all of the favorites you have as far as the pairs. I want to make sure that it's not selected so you can find the US 30 mini and add it. Yeah, so unselected, go to that search bar and type in US 30 dot mini. And how much did you put in that account? Did you do 2,000 or 3,000? That's not what I was trying to do.
Okay. So it kind of just booted me back into this meeting. Okay, ask your question one more time. Let me just see if it's my end or something. I don't know.
Okay, which part did you miss?
It's like the question you're trying to ask. You said when
Oh,
I
the
had
first one?
left.
You talking about the first question, Brittany?
Form o-
Oh, I see what you got going on. Your
Yeah.
audio is going in and out. It's doing it on you too.
Okay.
Okay. So I was telling you to add US 30 as a pair so we can trade it. All right.
Shopping with your parents can be embarrassing.
Why would they sell jeans with holes in them? I'm going to speak to the manager.
Mom.
They so silly with those commercials.
Okay, can you hear me from here?
Yes.
Okay, I just hooked it up on my I logged into Discord on my phone, so I'm just gonna disconnect it from the laptop because I don't think that's working.
Yeah, those telling you these tech companies they evil. Your laptop may still be dope, but they update the actual size of these files, and that's what slows down the computers. Evil. So,
Tell you, okay, because it's too much. I'm now literally working on three devices. I have my work computer I'm working on, then the personal I'm doing from Trade Locker, and then I have you on my phone. But this is cool. Okay,
hey,
so let me
that's
close
your
this out.
determination.
No, you see this, right?
Yeah, I'm with you.
Okay, so let me go back. Okay, now tell us. Okay, so I pulled up US 30. Do I need to add that to my favorites first?
Yes.
Okay. So now I have US 30 pulled up.
Okay. Now pull up the US 30 mini and save that one as well. Okay, I'm like, what just happened? My chart inverted. Okay, cool.
Okay. US 30 mini, I got that. All right.
All right, great. So, how much did you put in that account? Did you put, what's your balance on that demo?
Um, well, I haven't put anything in. Oh, the balance. I'm sorry. It says 3,000.
Okay, cool. You did right. 3,000. So with that demo account, we don't want to start with anything that you won't be able to actually put your hands on. I see some people with $100,000, $200,000 demo accounts.
Oh.
You know, so we want to make it as realistic as possible. So now that you got that up there, pull up US 30.
Mhm.
Let's let you place this trade. Now what we're doing is called a limit order. You got a few different order types. Market orders, You place those when the market is moving really fast and you just want to jump in. And wherever you click the button, that's where it'll let you in.
Okay.
What we're doing is we're placing a limit order. This order, you can put it at a certain area, and if the market pulls back to test it, it'll enter automatically. That's why I'm always screaming making profits without being present, because this is how we enter most of our trade setups. Do some homework, set a level, go to sleep.
Okay.
All right. So pull up US 30 and on the trading panel, 1 second. On your trading panel, you should see market and pending right at the top.
Yep, I'm right there.
Perfect. Hit pending.
Okay.
Now, right underneath, you have coordinates. Those coordinates are for the pending price where you want to set this order. So the price point that we have right now, let me double check it on my terminal. The price point that we have right now is 38723.87.
Now, can I type that manually, or do I have to do the plus? Or
No,
minus?
you can type that in manually.
Oh, I see it now. Okay.
Yeah, don't
All
click
that
plus
I-
or minus. You'll be over there with fingers stronger than Popeye.
And I can't. That conversation is real, and I ain't got to do my for it. But
You gonna hit plus 10,000 times before you get to that damn number. Okay. So with the coordinates that I'm calling out, you guys, we are all using the same broker. All right, to get access to that broker, to make sure that your coordinates are the same, head to our website, profitakerseu.com, and get that Trading Essentials bundle. We walk you through those processes. But that pending price is 38723.87.
got you.
All right. Now, make sure you hit sell.
Okay.
It's right underneath. Now, where you see stop loss, let's give you the coordinates for that stop loss. Boom, boom, boom. You ready?
I'm ready. I'm just waiting for you.
Okay, it's 39076.71.
I'm sorry. Can you say that again? 39. Okay. 39760.
No, 390.
390.
767. I'm sorry, I didn't give you the decimal. My apologies.
I put it 39076, and then the
Point
decimal.
71.
Gotcha.
Gotcha. Perfect.
Okay.
All right, and your take profit is 508.68.
Okay.
And from there, you look at the bottom where you see risk.
Mhm.
How much does it say you're risking on that position? The dollar amount and the percentage.
Well, the dollar amount actually, if I'm looking at it correctly, $193.62, and then 6.45%.
Now, what does the percentage say? Do you see, what does the percentage say?
6.45.
6%?
Well, maybe I'm not looking at it correctly.
No, you may be.
I'm just reading where it says initial margin. Is that what you're saying?
Initial margin? Oh, right above it. Yeah, right above it, you should see PL balance. Right in the section where we entered our stop loss and our take profit.
Okay, well, the P and L, you mean in that box? What does it say?
No, to the left of that P&L box.
Okay, to the left of that it says 352.84.
Okay, so you're risking $352.84. Right underneath it, that's where the percentage is. What does that percentage say?
You know what? I just had to scroll down. I'm sorry. Okay, so 11.76%.
Oh, 11%. Okay, that's too much. So you're going to have to trade the minis. Okay. This is why I want you guys to do it on the demo account first. Because if you would have placed this trade setup, you would have
Yeah.
risked 11% of your account. And just in case it went against us, that's not what the fuck we're trying to give up in one trade. So go to the US 30 minis. We want to make sure that we can trade one position at 1% because we're going to put up 3% total on this trade. 1% for each take profit. All right. And when we do that, that's how you master your odds and put yourself in a position to pay yourself as the market moves so you don't completely lose a winning trade setup. So last week, that crazy sale we got on gold, it only hit TP1, then it turned around. But if we were being greedy and waiting for all the positions to be filled, we would have put ourselves in a bad spot. So I always want to find ways to pay yourself as the market moves. Boom, boom.
Okay, so with the US 30 mini, oh wait,
The
let me
US
go
30
there.
mini, you got more leverage. And you can still be a part of these crazy moves. Okay, so with the TPs, I'm just looking for the structural levels in the market. And I'm placing the TPs at those levels. What I
Okay,
mean
that's
by
what I was gonna
structure,
ask. What are you looking at right here?
ah, and what I mean by structure, I'm looking at the areas where we have multiple tests in the market. So a lot of people may not be comfortable with the candlesticks just yet, but if we move to the line chart, it shows the exact same thing. Okay. These areas where you see the market struggling to break above, these are structural levels or key levels. So right at those key levels, we take profit and we look for potential pullbacks that let us enter in other trade setups. So even though this is your first time on, B, let me show you something to keep this thing real simple. So in this series, this is actually in the series. It's called the jump. Now, it explains really the simplicity of the market. Really, since you make a lot of money and you got a lot of these fancy ass terms, a lot of people expect it to be a lot more difficult than what it actually is. Hold on a second. Let's get this camera back up. Hold on 1 second. Muted myself on accident. All right, cool. So yeah, like I was saying, a lot of people expect it to be more complicated than it actually is, and a lot of people use these fancy terms unnecessarily, and they don't understand the way the market actually moves. So this is pretty much it. Consolidation will be the beginning and the ending of every trend. So consolidation is when prices trap moving sideways. You have uptrends and you have downtrends. These are the only three ways the market will ever move. Now the key is this, that consolidation will always be the beginning or the ending of every trend. If you just focus on that, learning how to properly trap price, and learn how to spot a pullback, or they call a retest. This, these areas right here, these are going to pay you the most money because they give you the best risk reward ratio. And when it comes to trading, I don't give a shit what you know as far as systems. The best risk reward ratio is always going to give you the best odds, and the best odds is what help you win. So, just to show you exactly what we just did, right? Consolidation is the beginning and the ending of every trend. And what do? Enter on the retest. This move is the retest, which led to the fall. That's all trading is. You could really trade with the line chart only. But there is a system that I put together behind understanding that to let you know how far you can go with these targets. How do I close that chat window? All right, so the other thing that's really important that you need to understand along with that is when the market is truly making an uptrend, you will see always consistently forming higher highs and higher lows, even if it starts to move all funny like this and shit. This is the key. It is still making higher highs and higher lows. And this is most likely what you're gonna see. Is not too many cases we're gonna get a, let me get back up there. It's not too many cases that we're gonna get a perfect channel in the market. They do happen, but not too often. In most cases, it's gonna be real choppy. Retesting different areas, pulling back. That's how the market is gonna move. But if you just take your time, you will see that it's clearly making lower lows and lower highs. So in understanding that, and understanding that consolidation is the beginning and the ending of every trend, even if price is in a downtrend, when you get that break right here, we're looking for that area to be retested. And in most cases, this is what you'll see before that move happens. So those two things in spotting key levels on the daily time frames, that's really all we use. Shit, we've been selling US 30 since the highs. This was my original sale on US 30 right here, using the exact same concept. Trap price, spotted the break. We call this a structural, uptrend structural break. I set a limit order. It pulled back to let me in with a wick, and we took it to the downside. Now, I didn't expect it to continue to fall this long, but even on this trade, check this shit out. I was in this trade for a couple weeks, and this was a 1-32 sale. Nobody believed me, right? But look at this. It fell lower than that. Now, I got out of the trade because I'm like, this risk reward is crazy. I was caught up really in what I made versus what the charts was telling me. So let me go to the daily time frame. So when I marked up this chart, this structural level was the level that we were talking about. Price had not retested it. You had a lot of tests right here at the lows that needed to be broken. Now, what I didn't expect was price to drop and get all of this so soon. I had it marked up, but I'm like, oh, We clearly got to get a little break after that. No, that thing kept falling. So we got that crazy risk reward set up 1 to 32. Hold on, Kevin, I see you right here. And it was just off of using something so simple. And we caught other swings on this thing. And say, I love this stuff and want to get into it. You just got. It's not really a lot that goes into it, Kevin, and that's what I was just showing. It's really simple. It's a few simple concepts. If you put them together, then you can really master the market. The other part is mastering yourself. The market is easy. I guarantee you it is. And that's what we hop on every week to show you. We're being consistent because the system is repeatable. All of these sessions are recorded on YouTube, so y'all can watch us identify these setups and place them and call them live to get these results. It's so simple. We are the problem. Trusting that something that could pay you out like this is simple. Our lack of belief in possibility, that's the damn problem. And that's why we focus all of our attention really in that Mindset Series Structure Breaker. We hop on and let everybody trade with us so you can see, you know. But if you really want to unlock this game, man, you got to unlock your mind. All right, so we got this trade set up. Now, Brittany, this is what we don't do. We don't stare at the charts. So I just set alerts, and I normally just go to sleep or leave. Whatever it does after that, I don't care. And I'm going to show you why. Okay? So again, I told you your power as a trader is the way you control your odds. And this is where mindset comes into play. Oh, I can bring this down a little bit. This is where mindset comes into play. If you do not have the ability to be still, right now, we have a 1 to 9 risk reward ratio on this trade. That means you put up $10, you're going to make $90. You put up 100, you're going to make 1,000. That's only if we enter at this area. Now, what most people do, you win a trade and you see the power of possibility and you get impulsive with your trade setups. You're buying just to fucking buy, selling just to sell. Now, let's see if we just jumped in this trade like, oh, it's moving without me. We went from a 1 to 9 to a 1 to 3. And in most cases, what's going to happen? Somewhere around here, it's going to pull back. Most people, they definitely over leveraged on their entry. So when price pulls back, they can't handle the pullback. You can't handle the truth. What currency is that? This is US 30. So you can't handle the pullback. You lose all your money, and then this thing fall without you. That's why I focus on the things that's important. Trading psychology, discipline, and sticking to your systems no matter what it look like. I guarantee you that it'll turn you into a profitable trader faster than it would just focusing on learning strategies. You focus on the money, anything you trade run from you. But yeah, Kevin, you can start trading with us for free, bro. You can head to our website, ProfitTakersEU.com, and we show you how to set up your demo account, your live account. That way you'll be able to place these trades with us. Get that Trading Essential Bundle. Let me drop the link for the website in the chat. I'm going to drop the link for the Discord in the chat too. Oh man. All right, bet. So we got these alerts set, man. We're gonna go ahead and get out of here. What time frame? We're on the hour time frame when we found this set up. Again, this is the next level of structure right here. We'll see how price responds in this area. Key is to be patient. All right, Kevin, cool. That's what we want y'all to do, man. You got to see it for yourself. I'm telling you. My word won't match the validation of your eyes. Get in here, take these damn setups, and get you a win.
Win! Win, 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 win! Yeah!
Man, we haven't been doing any other currencies. Let's see. So Tuesday we got Euro. Do I trade full time? Yes, sir. That's it. I used to work as a barber, man. Oh, man. I don't have nothing to say but good things about it. It motivated me. That's what working as a barber did. I made great money, but I was in there 12 to 13 hours a day. And then I was too tired to spend it. So I locked in, learned the processes, and yeah, this is all we do now, trade full time. Trade and create, man. Inspire other people to create. We really only use trading as a means to create, man. That's the fun part. You get to making that money, you're like, what the fuck I'm gonna do with this? What can you build? Alright, I'm done for today, y'all. But Kevin, appreciate you both for locking in this long. Everybody else, thank y'all. Brittany, hope you got some questions answered over there. Some days trading is really quick. Some days you got to use that patience. Got to know when to flow. But hold on, Brittany. Let me mute you and let everybody else off. Hey, man. The first step in taking it serious is starting. That's why we wanted to set y'all up in this manner. There's really no risk for you. Use your demo account. Follow the trades for free. Just to test it out. And really, the shit that you learn, you can trade on your own, man. We also got a few tools to help you, but you can actually trade on your own using all of this stuff. You really don't need us. It's so easy. But yeah, guys, thank you. We are out for the day. For the ones that want to start, you don't know where to begin, we dropped the links inside the chat. You can head to our website, ProfitTakersEU.com, and get access to that Trading Essential bundle. That's going to walk you through setting up your demo account, your live account, showing you how to place your trades, showing you how to properly leverage those trade setups, and you get the free trial to our Mindset series. This is how we bring everything together, man, the truth of the company. You also pair that with our 6-week journal to help you guys become more intentional with your words. A lot of traders lose setups and they speak terribly to themselves. This is to prepare you to fight against you. Because when you are learning, you are your worst enemy. We also got a few books available on Amazon. 6 Steps to Trading with Consistent Results covers everything that I give in the charting sessions and in the live sessions. And we have log books to help you log your trades and your mindset throughout the process of executing. You have to understand what a problem is so you can know exactly what to fix. We got merch as well, and to join us, you can get that beginner bundle or upgrade to tier 2. But as always, remember, you're only one trade away from living. Why fight to stay the same, man? Let's eat.